Hello guys, welcome back to LAN app. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix LG TV error code 105. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're having problems with your LG TV here and you're getting that 105 error code, there are going to be a few things that you can try. So first thing that you want to do here is you want to check your settings first. So first is you want to make sure that your TV has the correct time and date settings. So typically, if you have an incorrect time or date setting here, it can actually interfere with network connection, especially for services that requires date and time. So usually you need to access your settings, go to general and just go to date and time and just set it to the correct date and time. Now, another thing that you might want to do here is you may want to check your internet connection. Now, a weak, unstable Wi-Fi connection here can trigger the error 105. So if you move your Wi-Fi connection away from your TV or farther away from your TV, then in this case, the signal itself might be the problem, which in this case causes lag on your TV, which in this case, the error code 105 may appear. So in this case, maybe move your Wi-Fi router closer, or even check with your provider or check with your phone with an internet speed tool and see if the internet speed is a problem itself. Now, the next thing that you could try doing here is you might want to power cycle your LG TV or your Wi-Fi router. Now, what I mean by power cycling your TV or your Wi-Fi router here, you need to basically close or remove the power from your TV and then wait for a few minutes and turn it back on. So first, do this to your LG TV. Remove the power, turn it off, unplug it from the wall outlet, and just wait for a few minutes or even an hour if you can. Now, this just ensures that power is drained from your TV, and once you've done that, you can go ahead and turn it on and wait and see if that actually solves your issue. Now, do the same thing for your Wi-Fi router and see if that helps. Now, if none of those actually work, the best and final thing that you could try doing here is to contact LG support. So the problem itself might be a lot heavier than you've anticipated. So usually contacting them will allow them to give you further things that you could try doing here, specifically for LG TVs, or even connect you or allow you to be contacted by a technician, just in case it's going to be a lot bigger or a hardware problem here. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LAN app. Thank you for watching.